If by chance this hall is full of darkness, can you fight with darkness? Hmm? Yes, how? We can fight, how? Nothing is visible. If I start fighting, I come forward, I'll have a fall. I can fight and invite injuries. Yes. But ask from deep within, can we really fight with darkness? Darkness has no existence of its own. Darkness is only absence of light. We cannot do anything with darkness. We need to focus on the light. And the moment you bring light in, the darkness disappears. The right focus in life is very, very important. If focus is wrong, we cannot get what we want. If you are feeling hungry, can you fight with hunger? By eating food. We are not doing anything with hunger. Hunger again has no existence of its own. It's only absence of food. Our focus must be to get food, and hunger disappears. Right focus in life will give you what you want, and wrong focus can give you something which is horrible. Can you fight with failure? Many students, they do get failure in life, in exams. Many people in business, in life, they get failure. But can you really fight with failure? How? We said failure, your answer is moving towards success. The failure has no existence of its own. It's only absence of success. Our focus must be to live success, and the failure disappears. The right focus in life is very, very important. Can you fight with problem? Only by finding a solution. Problem again has no existence of its own. It is only absence of solution. So we must focus to get solution, find solution, and the problem disappears. The right focus is very, very important. There was a young boy. He was feeling in love with a girl. It happens. He was very particular that he must get that girl as his wife. And that boy, he invested his efforts on her mother. If mother is set, then everything will be done. What happened? Her mother divorced her husband, and his so-called beloved became his daughter. A wrong focus. To be very clear in life, if focus is wrong, we cannot get what we want. Same way, you cannot fight with stress. Stress is only absence of the right focus. We must identify the right focus in life, adopt the right focus strategy, and the stress will simply disappear. What is right focus? You are very small in comparison to people around you. The group around you who are going to harm you is very big. That group is very powerful. If at this stage you attack on them, what will happen? You are very small and the group is very big in comparison. With your small base, if you attack on them, what will happen? You will feel destroyed. You can't fight with them. So your focus here. To become bigger. How? How we become bigger? By investing your own energy on yourself. The energy you have within you is limited but precious. So you must invest your energy on yourself and you become bigger and then bigger and then bigger. Keep on investing your own precious energy on yourself and you keep on becoming bigger, bigger and bigger, and ultimately the people who want to harm you, they become very small. So our focus is not to fight with other people, but our focus is to invest our own energy on self so that we keep on becoming bigger and bigger, and in the process we are living a stress-free life.